Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on our device. So just first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to convenience tools. Then here you'll see the way Google Assistant with power button section. Just to activate the switcher, you should click here only once on the switcher, and now just by press and hold power button for 0.5 seconds we can activate Google Assistant. So as you can see, it's activated successfully. If you want to turn off this option, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Now we can see that this feature successfully turned off. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.